Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the section 4.4 homework. For the exponential function f(x) equals e to the power x, where a is positive, is bigger than 1, so it's an increasing function. So base e is called a natural log and is the common log. And the log 3 equals point that. Okay, you can use a calculator to find that. It's just a common thing, you use a calculator to do that. You just type in 0.0252. Let me see if I can do a calculator. A calculator. Search for it, doesn't tell me. Calculator.
I can learn to understand you much better if I can get familiar with the way you
Okay,
talk.
just type in.
I need your permission to help.
Alright, so I got 0.00252 log negative 1.59 of 4 decimals. Okay, negative 4 decimals, negative 1.5985. Actually, is 86. Negative 1.5986. Okay, you can use a calculator to find that, which is not hard. Okay, so it's negative log of that. Basically, just use negative log 3.7. Wait, the pH, first use that. I would use the formula pH equals that. Okay, it's approximately what you use the calculator to do that. Okay, so okay, calculated stuff. We're going to just type in 4630.9 a log. Calculator. Okay, so this one, outpatient, the logarithm function for this one, where x is the number of 1900, is a function estimated surgery total in 1995. So basically, I think you get 5. Okay, so fx previously is 1 negative 1318 plus 304 times ln 5. Okay, so where x is the number of years the best fitting, use the function estimate outpatient as the percentage in that. Right, so what does the function estimate for the percent of outpatient? Plug it in, use a calculator to do that. Okay. And the age. So a over k is 0.14. Okay, everything is given. So basically just use a calculator. 1.26 times 10 to the power 9. And the ln2, ln1 plus 8.33 times 0.149. Okay, so use a calculator to find this number. Okay, this one we think we change the base. Log pi over 59. This equals, you can use ln 59 over ln pi on the calculator. So this one, ln, write that u. So you can write this ln square root of a5 minus ln square root of b square. So get 5 ln a minus, this is a square and a square cancel, it's ln b. So basically it's 5 over 2 ln a is u minus v. 5 over 2 u minus v. Last one. This section is pretty simple. A lot of calculative things. use the properties of logarithm for this one. ln e to the power 10x. So this can use, then use the ln e to the power 10x. Actually write this as a ln e to the power 10 plus ln x. Okay, so ln e10 is 10 plus ln x. Again, I can rewrite and using the properties fx as 10 plus is the graph of translate 10 units up. So translate this into 10 units up, and ln x as 10 plus 10 plus ln x. That's it. Okay, so I think we're done with this section. Next one. Okay, next section is 4. Let's see what is next section. 4.5. Okay, 4.5. Third, 3 to the power x equals 30. So you solve that is ln is log base 3 30. So you can change the base as log 30 over log 3. Solve the exponential equation. So 4 decimals, 0.5 to the power x equals 8. Actually 0.5 you can change it to 1/2 out for x equals 8. So 1/2 is 2 to negative 1 to the power x equals 2 to the power 3. So 2 to negative x equals 2 to 3, x equals negative 3. Okay, this is negative 3. Oh, I can't, why I don't? Negative 3. Okay, next question. E to the power 4x was e to 4x minus 4 minus x equals 3 to the power e to the power 1. So I cannot change that because it's not an integer. Now what I need to do, I take ln on both sides. If I take ln e 4x minus 4 minus x equals ln 3e. So ln and e cancel out, so you get 4x minus 4 minus x, actually is 3x. 3x minus 4 equals ln 3 plus ln e. So ln e is 1, so it's 3x minus 4 equals ln 3 plus 1. So the answer is going to be 3x equals 5 plus ln 3, then divided by 3, divided by 3. Use your calculator to find that. That's it. Okay. So 4 times 1.23 power x equals 11. Then 1.23 power x equals 11 over 4. Then you take ln on both sides. You get ln 1.23 to the power x equals ln 11 over 4. Finding this number is not really hard. And then you got x ln 1.23 equals ln 11 over 4. Now divide both sides by ln, so x equals ln 11 over 4 over ln 1.23. That's it. Use a calculator to find it. Okay, so 2 to the power 2x, you can do 2 to x squared minus 8 times 2 to the power x and plus 15 equals 0. So 2 to the power x is kind of like a mu, so you can factor 2 to the power x minus 3, 2 to the power x minus 5 equals 0. Factor. So 2x equals 3, 2x equals 5. what you can do, you can take ln on both sides. Ln 2x equals 3 is ln 3. Ln 2x equals ln 5. Divide both sides by ln, so you can take the x in the front. Take the x in the front. So x equals ln 3 over ln 2. X equals ln 5 over ln 2. Okay, so type exact answer, you have to type in this. Okay. Log 2x minus 6 equals 3. Change it, so 2 to power 3 equal, change this to 2 to power 3 equals 2x minus 6. So 8 equals 2x minus 6. 2x equals 14, x equals 7. Number 7. So basically, you're going to have 2x plus 8 times x plus 2 equals 2 to power 4. Now you have 2x squared plus 12x plus 16 equals 16. So x times cancel out. X times x plus 6 equals 0. So x equals 0, x equals negative 6. You have to plug it back into that. Say 0 times negative 6. Negative 6. Okay, that works. 0 and a negative 6. Comma. Negative 6. Okay, so this one, we'll have to use the ln operation. Ln 3 minus x times negative 2 minus x equals ln 2 minus 8x. So basically have this one equals the other one. So 3 minus x times negative 2 minus x equals 2 minus 8x. So from here, solve x. Now this one is log 3x plus 7 equals 1 plus log x minus 5. So log 1, actually, you can switch that 3x plus 7 minus log x minus 5, which is 1. So you have log 3x plus 7 divided by x minus 5 equals 1. So now what you got is 3x plus 7 over x minus 5. Log is base 10, so it's 10 to the power 1 is 10. So solve for that. 3x plus 7 equals 10x minus 50. So you can solve 7x equals 57. X equals 57 over 7. Okay. It's the same idea. So ln ex divided by e5, which is ln e to power 8. Well, actually you can put all the x together. So the ln e to x cancel out, just you don't have any e anymore because all the e canceled out. So x minus 5 equals 8. So x equals 13. Solve for this. P equals k over ln w plus c. So solve for what? Solve for w, right? P minus c equals k over ln w. So k divided by p minus c equals ln w. So w equals e to k over p minus c. K over p minus c is 1. Okay. So for solve for c, log c equals log e divided by x to power k. And c equals e to k x over k. Okay, so find the interest rate of nearest 100% that produced 2015 left at interest compounded semi-annually for. Alright, so 1500 compound interest for 3.5 years. So we don't know. We got 1500 times 1 plus 3.5 years. We don't know the interest rate. So it's R over 2 because semi-annually. 3 years, 3.5, you have twice a year, so it's that equals 2000. So what do we need to do? We got 1 plus r over 2 to power 7 equals, can't reduce 100, so it's going to be 4 over 3. So I can take ln on both sides, 7 ln 1 plus r over 2 equals ln 4 over 3. So what do we have is ln 1 plus gamma over 2 equals ln 4 over 7, 3 over 7. Then this is a number, you find that number. So 1 plus 2 of r equals e to power 7 ln 4 over 3. Find this number, use a calculator, find this, and find the whole thing. So solve for r over 2 equals 1 minus, e minus 1. e to ln 4 over 3 over 7 minus 1. Then r equals 2 times e to ln 4 over 3 over 7 minus 1. So this is a calculated stuff. Okay. One action that I gave the government take a reduced carbon that ln equals that, so solve for p. Okay, so we got ln equals that 1 minus. So ln 1 minus p equals negative the whole thing. You got 1 minus p equals e to power the whole thing, and the p equals 1 minus e to the power the whole thing, which is the other negative. So 1 minus e to negative, negative, so it's going to be this one. Okay, so continue 1 minus that, because it's all t is continue, so it's less than 1 is like this. It's increasing but reduce but goes to 1. Plug 60 into the formula. Okay, and solve for this one. E to x plus ln x equals 1. Solution set. Graphing calculator. So what do you need to do here? You can graph ln x equals 1 minus e to power x. So first the graph ln x is like this. Then graph this. I believe is something 1 minus e to power x. Let me see what is 1 minus e to power x. Okay. So y equals ln x. Second one, y equals 1 minus e to power x. Okay, so it's going to be this way. Something here, if you use a graphing calculator online, let me see what this point is. Is negative is 0.512. Hundreds. 0.51. Negative. Wait, it's positive. 0.51. Okay, that's it.